This asana is about slowly getting to higher spiritual levels, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But the starting position for this asana is, as usual, sitting on your backside, on your bottom, spine erect, feet straight ahead of you, legs straight ahead of you, knees straight, feet pointing towards you, toes pulled up towards you, so the hamstrings are straight, knees are locked. Weight is on your hands, and then start by slowly getting into the position of Padmasana. Starting with the left leg, lift the left leg up, bring it over your hips with your own strength, not lifting with your hands. Try to get the heels near the perineum, in the socket of the gap of the hip, in the groin. Lift the right leg, get the heel into the groin. Make a tight sitting posture with crossed legs in Padmasana. Once you have achieved that, maintain a very firm spine, weight on your hands. Stretch the shoulders right back, because now you are going to cross your hands behind your back. Starting with the left hand, you cross your left hand behind your back and bring the hands forward to hold the left leg, not just the big toe but all the toes. Then do the same with the right hand, going behind your back and holding the big toe and the other toes. Having done that, now make sure your shoulders are stretched right back so the spine is perfectly straight. Focus on your spine being straight. Get your posture sorted out. Stretch, stretch and stretch. Remember, during yogasana, in any aspect of yoga asana, your breathing should be relaxed. Nice and easy breathing. Do not hold your breath at any time. And when you have contained yourself in a safe, secure, relaxed manner, slowly bend your neck down so that you can bring the chin to the chest. Now you'll notice in this posture, when the chin is to the chest, shoulders behind, spine erect, that your spine from the tailbone till the cervical bone is ramrod straight. This is one of the essential needs for development when you move on to meditation. Hold this position as long as you can and breathe relaxed. You can see, watch Vaishali's abdomen, how she is breathing nice and relaxed.